Today I will show you a pull-out basket for seasoning. Now let's see the overview of it. It is made of SUS 304 stainless steel, anti-corrosion and durable. It is a wide flat wire structure, breaking through traditional round wire design. It adopted European standard trivalent chromium chromed surface treatment, bright and durable. There are some scientific partitions inside, easy and convenient storage. This basket is matched with soft close synchronous slide, past SGS 80,000 movement test, soft close pushing and pulling. The max loading of this basket is 30 kilograms, strong loading capacity. It is a quick installation design, easy and convenient to install and adjust. If you are interested in our product, please contact us.